On the Canon imageRUNNER 2425, the administrator password is forgotten. In this guide, I'll show you how to reset it using service mode. If the administrator password is forgotten, access to administrator settings may be blocked. Resetting the password restores access to the device's administrative functions. First, if you know the password, try entering it. However, the password for this printer has been completely forgotten, and it shows an error. To reset the password, you need to enter the printer into service mode. Watch carefully as I press the buttons. I'll repeat the process twice for clarity. To enter service mode, press Settings once, press 8 and 2 simultaneously, then press Settings again. Find and select the PWD CLR, Password Clear, option. This will clear the password. Disconnect the power cable and wait until the printer turns off. Then reconnect it to turn the printer back on. Now that the printer has been reset, the password has returned to the factory default 7654321. Now you will see the password change request. If you want to change the password, you can easily do it. The administrator password on the Canon imageRUNNER 2425 has now been successfully reset. After clearing the password through service mode, the printer returns to the factory default password, allowing you to access the administrator settings again. If needed, you can change the password to a new one from the device settings for better security. Always keep your administrator password in a safe place to avoid losing access in the future. Thanks for watching.